the one thing I was think about David Clifford, obviously, Donegal are obviously sort of not targeting him, but they know that he's got maybe a bit of a short fuse, and try and needle at that. Is that a thing that a great player has to deal with? We all know he's probably one of the greatest players ever play the game, but oppositions know that if we can get at him, we can get under his skin. Maybe that is that another something that he has to deal with?
Look, he's had to deal with it since he was probably under 13.
Probably since he started,
He's probably, and I think David Clifford's temperament's brilliant. He probably takes a lot of pushing and shoving off the ball that you don't see, and then it's like anything. It's nearly like he has to stand up for himself. Much like Michael Murphy gets huge abuse outside of Donegal for being overly physical and the way that he tackles and all of that. And you saw, and obviously the incident in the league final was over the line, but the big man has always had to stand up for himself because the referee's not going to give it to him. And Clifford, Clifford is in the same sort of boat. Like, Clifford can stand up for himself, and like any player, he's not going to be bullied. He's not going to want to be bullied out there. So he stands up for himself, and I don't think there's any issue around his temperament.
I can't
think
think of
off
a
once in
time.
a league game up in Eden Dork against Tyrone for 2 years.
Pomeroy.
Pomeroy.
Yes.
He was sent off that day, but
right.
like other than that, and that was a call by the umpire. I would love to give him a touch, Kevin Toner, but I'll have to send that on to him.
He finds a way just to drift out, doesn't he, onto the right wing and stand there, and
that's his pocket,
and that's
and what he does by doing that is, it's clever because that's his favourite, that's his angle for shooting.
Yeah.